Hey y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you something that I have seen all over social media, and it is putting the two punch bowls from the Dollar Tree together with hot glue and E6000, and then clipping a shower ring from the Dollar Tree in half and gluing it on top. This makes a gorgeous oversized ornament that you can embellish however you like. You can add greenery to it. You can add a big bow, garland, picks, you name it. You can add to these, paint them, distress them, however you would like for them to look so that it coordinates with your decor. However, I'm going to paint mine with some metallic gold Rust-Oleum paint, and I am making 5 of these because I'm going to use them a little bit differently. I have been looking everywhere to find a tree collar or a tree skirt that I felt would coordinate well with my Christmas theme. I have a black Christmas tree, and I am putting silver and gold on that black tree. It stands out. It's very stunning. But I have not found anything to put at the bottom of my tree that was in my price range, my budget, that I felt like went with the decor of the tree and the theme. So I'm going to paint 5 of these oversized ornaments, and I'm going to use them for my tree collar. Sometimes you just have to improvise until you find the right thing within your budget. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.